today I'm going to be... So I accidentally dropped something on my whipped cream. Because I wanted to just fill my hand with whipped cream and shove it in my face. But obviously I dropped it on the floor. So I haven't told anybody, but I'm going to show you how to wipe it off. It's really easy. So first you want to get a tissue, and obviously you're gonna try and wipe it off. Oh my gosh. So now this is just how to save your rug. There is a little bit on the floor, but oh yeah, I can do that. Now it's gonna blend in, but don't do it on like your actual floor because it does not work, only on rugs. So now you can see white, and it's really wet and terrible. Sorry, I hate whipped cream. Don't know why I wanted to put it in my hand. And then you're gonna get some soap. Obviously, I'm getting pink soap since the rib is pink. You can get any soap. Now, just gonna. Okay, I'm gonna have to rub it. Sorry if you can't quite see. Now, it's wet. It looks fresh. It looks new. So, I'm gonna get some. We're just gonna wipe it, and then that should be done. And that's how you clean your rug. So make sure to subscribe and like and hit the bell. And join my group, My Place 12. And maybe in the future, I will be doing massive giveaways, so iPad. This is just for the future. Maybe when I'm 9 or 10. So, this beautiful candle with a gem. Well, it comes with a credit card thing, I don't know. And maybe a camera. I do have a lot of electronics, I have to say. And if you're like a woman, so in the future when I'm older, you can get this camera. It is blue. And then you can get this one as a certificate and a gem and a candle. Maybe for the women's out there, if you do watch my videos. That. And for anybody, even the women's, the men, or I don't know, children, an iPad. So if you want to win any of these, then make sure to subscribe and like and hit the bell. And in the future, soon, the first giveaway will be the iPad, and then it will go camera, then it will go, and then it will go that. I'm not doing the giveaway right now, because that would be, I'm only turning an age. Don't want to tell you, because that will, I am, no, you can guess, I'm 9 or 10. And I got to say I am a little bit small, so not of my age, I'm just small. guys. So make sure to subscribe and like and hit the bell. And yep, so bye.